This 2014 Fleetwood Terra 31TS is a Class A RV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama, 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2014 Fleetwood Terra 31TS is built on a Ford 362 HP chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.